Hi and welcome back to Days Well Spent. In today's video, we're going to begin our series on indoor hydroponics growing. We're going to be using the Izorka's indoor hydroponics growing system, and it is a self-sustaining farm for indoor all year round growing. So the unit itself comes in this small box. Without any water, it's right at 4 pounds. So we're going to break the seal on the box. Our instruction booklet. So the system comes with the light and then the actual unit that holds your water, and these are the cutouts that we're going to put our plants in. So I'm going to go ahead and get all the plastic and tape removed and then pick up the video. Now, something I do like is everything is taped down and underneath the unit, so you don't have to worry about having a large mess and things scattering when you open the box. I'm just going to lift the lid up. And inside we've got the cups that are going to hold the growing medium and our plant. These are the little domes that go over top of it. Your growing medium, A and B plant food, your power source. And then this is the telescoping arm for the light. Now we're going to walk you through setting up the system, but I would still suggest that you read through the instructions completely once before setting it up. And then you can follow along with the video or follow along with the instructions when you go to set yours up. To place your lid on top of your unit, you have an arrow here that's white. That's going to line up with that white cord. Now it's time to go ahead and get the unit ready to add our water and plants. So the first thing we want to do, because the outlet is on the bottom, is we're going to flip it over. And it plugs in right here. We're not going to plug it into the wall yet. And you're going to run your cord through this little notch. Next, we're going to put together the adjustable light. So you see you have an arrow on your light panel. Then you also have an arrow on the rod that goes up and down. So you're just going to make those meet and push them into place. You'll know it's in place because it'll make a little snapping sound. Then we have an arrow on the light unit. And remember that arrow that we had over here? That's right, we're just going to line them up and snap it into place. Okay, so the last thing we're going to do is we're going to take those plastic medium holders and we're going to take the growing medium, and it's dry. We're just going to place it down into the cone and into the unit. For the growing medium, you do not need to pre-soak it before you plant. In fact, I found it easier not to, because once you get it wet, it starts expanding and it's harder to get that seed all the way down into the bottom of the hole. So placing your seed in while it's dry and then dropping it into the pot, I found works a lot better. So I'm going to go ahead and close out this video. I'm going to finish getting all of the pods and growing medium into our unit, and then we'll pick the next video up with actually planting and turning on the unit. If you guys have any questions about unboxing and setting up your hydroponics unit, let me know down in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer them. As always, if you're looking for more urban homesteading ideas, visit dayswellspent.com.